So stop. This is a special reading. 1111 energies here. Let us check what this person on your mind is feeling about you. If you have reached this reading, definitely the person on your mind is thinking about you right now. So we are gonna see what this person on your mind is like thinking about you, like what is what is the tea between you both. So let us check this all. So this person on your mind is like really attracted towards you. This person can soon approach you. Also, they are daydreaming about you. They are thinking about you a lot. They are thinking heavily about you. So this person is thinking literally heavily about you. They are not able to uh, pull their mind off you. So yeah, this person is lost in your thoughts, or they could be seeing your reels on Facebook, Instagram, or your pictures on Facebook, Instagram, or something, some pics they are looking at. So this person is constantly like thinking about you each and every time. So like that is coming really strong. Also, this person is really feeling stuck, that they are stuck. They don't know what they should do next and what should be their next course of action. So yeah, they are confused about what they should do next. So this person is actually not clear what they should do. But the one thing they are clear about is that they feel literally good. They have a good feeling with you. They feel that you are their lucky charm. They are literally attracted to you. This person can be the person with whom you are in no contact, less contact, crush, could be any person, the person on your mind. But this, I feel you will have a long term bond with this person. I don't see something short term with this person. I see both of you being in something long term together. So yeah, that is coming like really strong. So you both being in something which is like seems to be a long term energy. Like as I told you, this person is constantly thinking about you, replaying each and every moment with you they had. Each time they meet you, they are replaying each and every moment of conversation they had with you. They are analyzing if they were rude with you or not. They are thinking about each and everything deeply. They are like discovering their self. And actually this person is actually very confused what they should do. So yeah, that is coming. This person thinks that you are not very interested in them. You are busy with your work. You are more focused towards your work. You are not looking at them. So this person is like quite very insecure about you when it comes to losing you. So they think they might lose you. So they are having a lot of insecurities, I would say. But this person is not someone who will express their insecurities very normally to you. So yeah, they find each time they see you, they think that you are focused on a lot of responsibilities. You could be doing a lot of work. Like you could be a multitasker type of person, doing each and every work, studying well, taking care of your family well, doing projects on time well, each and everything you are like doing well. So yeah, you are a very hardworking person. This person sees you as a person who is really hardworking, attractive, beautiful. They are really attracted to your looks, but they are controlling their 18 plus feelings. They are having a lot of 18 plus feelings. So yeah, that is true. So yes, this person wants to come towards you and soon can approach you. Like that is coming. If this person is your crush, no contact, less contact, this person is coming back for you. Crush, this person can propose you anytime. And if you are in a relationship, this person wants to take you for a date. That is coming for sure. Like they want to express their love to the whole world. So they want to show the whole world that they are actually into you. They are having feelings for you. So they don't want this tiresome, boring relationship. Like they want to have fun with you. They want to enjoy with you. They want to like roam around with you. They want to have that vibe with you. Like you both enjoying together. You both spending time together, because I feel that you are a person who could be like really focused on a lot of responsibilities, a lot of work, or really possessive or particular about your career. Like that is also coming really strong. So yes, also there would be some past, either this person's past or your past, or both of yours past, but something is causing a problem between you. Like that is for sure. But this person is mature and understandable. Like this person tries to understand each and every perspective. I find this person more mature than you are. So this person is more mature and understanding than you are. So this, even if you try to explain each and every perspective to this person will understand your each and every perspective very well, because this person is mature enough to understand your emotions. So this person would respect your boundaries and understand whatever like you want to express them, and whatever is your point of view, so they will understand it well. So you can share each and everything with this person. Like, this person is mature enough, that I would like to tell you. So also, this person thinks that you keep a lot of things to your heart. You are not that person who would keep on saying that you love them or you are having feelings for them. You're not that kind of person. You are a less expressive person. So this person feels that you should be expressive to them. You should express your feelings to them. They are manipulative, but simultaneously they are concerned about you. They are having feelings for you. They are attracted towards you. There is a spark in your relationship. Like, this person is very much into you. The more you ignore this person, the more this person gets mad behind you. So yeah, that is coming very strongly. So yes, there could be heartbreak, which anyone of you could be facing, or both of you could be facing. So some heartbreak is coming across, which could be an issue. A third party could be an issue in the situation. Third party can be career, exes, parents, friends, who could influence the relationship from outside in a negative way. So that is coming across. So you need to be really careful with this person when it comes to relationship. You need to think really deeply. Like, you are a deep thinker, that is also coming. Also, this person is an understanding person, like, that is also coming. So yeah, this person is worried about you, like, that is coming. This person wants to be with you. I see a long-term bond with this person, long-term future with this person, you having a long-term future with this person. So yes, for most of you, this reading can go. Take whatever resonate, leave the rest. And for exactly, if you want to know, for that you can get a personalized reading by me. For personalized reading, you can message me on Instagram, predictions by Sia, or फेसबुक पेज प्रिडिक्शंस बाय सिया, वहां पर भी आप मुझे डीएम कर सकते हो, मैसेज कर सकते हो, या प्रिडिक्शंस बाय सिया के इंस्टाग्राम पे भी मैसेज कर सकते हो फॉर द पर्सनलाइज्ड रीडिंग। प्रिडिक्शंस बाय सिया का इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, या मेन चैनल बायो ऑफ यूट्यूब चैनल प्रिडिक्शंस बाय सिया में आपको प्रिडिक्शंस बाय सिया के इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक मिल जाएगा। वहां पर आप लिंक पे क्लिक करके मेरे को मैसेज कर सकते हो, डीएम कर सकते हो। मैं या मेरी टीम वुड रिवर्ट बैक टू यू एंड गेट योर पर्सनलाइज्ड रीडिंग बुक्ड इफ यू वांट टू नो एग्जैक्टली कि ये पर्सन की क्या फीलिंग्स है, विल दिस पर्सन कम बैक, इफ नो कॉन्टैक्ट, लेस कॉन्टैक्ट, फीलिंग्स क्या है, जेन्युइनली प्यार करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं, व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली गोइंग ऑन इन द सिचुएशन, ऑल ऑफ दीज यू विल गेट क्लैरिटी। अगर किसी का ये भी डाउट है ना कि हैज दिस पर्सन मूव्ड ऑन, तो ये वाला भी डाउट आपका क्लियर हो जाएगा। ये कितने टाइम में ये पर्सन आपकी लाइफ में वापस आ सकते हैं, ये वाला डाउट भी आपका क्लियर हो जाएगा। तो ईच एंड एवरी डाउट ऑफ योर्स विल बी क्लियर्ड इन द पर्सनलाइज्ड रीडिंग। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।